Let's take a look at more affordable project cars currently popping up on Facebook Marketplace. These aren't perfect, they're not showroom ready, but that's what makes them interesting. Real projects, real conditions, and real potential for anyone who enjoys bringing old machines back to life. Number 1. 1978 Chevrolet Camaro, $2,500. We're starting with a late 70s Camaro that feels like a true project potential kind of car. It reportedly ran great not too long ago, and what really makes this one interesting is the amount of extra parts that come with it. Seats, fenders, bumpers, trim pieces, and even exhaust components. It's the kind of car that already comes with half the restoration puzzle in the trunk. Still a project, still needs work, but definitely something a builder could shape into whatever direction they want. Number 2. 1973 MG Midget, $3,000. Next up is something smaller, lighter, and totally different in vibe. This 1973 MG Midget is one of those classic little British sports cars that people really enjoy bringing back to life. It has the desirable earlier styling with the round rear arches and steel bumpers, and it still carries its original 1275 engine. The seller is honest about its condition. It's a real restoration candidate, not a turnkey cruiser. But for someone who loves lightweight classics and isn't afraid of a detailed rebuild, it's a charming little project. Number 3. 1965 Ford 500 Custom, $2,600. Here's a mid-60s Ford sedan with a bit of character and a setup you don't see every day. A 289 paired with a 3-speed on the column. It runs, it drives, and it still has power steering, but it definitely needs a full restoration and attention to the brakes and suspension. The stance has been lowered, the mileage is up there, and it's been sitting long enough that it deserves some serious shop time. Still, it's a complete classic Ford from a great era, and it hasn't been turned into something wild yet. Number 4. 1927 Chevrolet Capital AA, $4,800. Now we jump way back in time with something truly vintage. This 1927 Chevrolet Capital has been in the same family for decades and was kept inside, which helped protect the metal and even the wood structure. It actually runs and moves using a temporary fuel setup, and visually it still holds that amazing late 1920s look. The interior shows its age, it needs proper fuel system work, and it's being sold without a title. But for a nearly 100-year-old vehicle, it's surprisingly intact and historically interesting. Number 5. 1977 Buick Skylark, $5,000. Next up is a 77 Buick Skylark with a V8 engine under the hood and plenty of late 70s character. It runs well, sounds like it's had a modified exhaust system, but it also needs some work inside and out. The heater and air conditioning don't work, and cosmetically it needs some work, but it comes with a spare wheel, original parts, and a few extra components to aid in the later stages of the restoration. This is one of those cars that can be restored in stages and enjoyed over time.
6. 1972 Mercury Comet, $2,000. Next, we'll start with a classic Ford compact platform car. This 72 Mercury Comet is a project that has come a long way. It has an inline-6 engine with an automatic transmission, and the seller mentions that it was still running and driven a few years ago before problems arose and it was parked. Now it's been parked for years, doesn't run, has a rusty frame, worn tires, and worn floor mats. This is one of those cars that needs some serious commitment and perhaps some welding work, but it's in excellent condition, has salvage papers, and visually still retains the feel of a 70s commuter. 7. 1970 Cadillac Deville, $3,900. Next up is a big one, literally. This 1970 Cadillac DeVille is a full-size luxury cruiser with that massive 472 V8 under the hood. The story is pretty interesting. It's been stored for around 38 years, showing just over 41K miles, and now it's being sold out of an estate. It hasn't been running while in storage and definitely needs some TLC, freshening, and careful revival work before anyone thinks about driving it. But visually, it's a classic 70s luxury icon that still looks impressive just sitting still. 8. 1971 Ford Ranchero, $5,000. Here we've got a 1971 Ford Ranchero, one of those cool car-truck hybrids from the era. This one comes with a 302 V8 automatic transmission, and it was recently pulled out of long-term indoor storage. The nice thing is, it starts, runs, and drives, but the tires are old and will need to be replaced, and it's missing some exterior trim pieces. It's not a finished cruiser yet, but it's a functional project with a really unique style that always stands out on the road. Nine. 1971 Ford LTD, $2,650. This 71 Ford LTD is a two-door hardtop project that actually has a lot of work already started. It runs and drives, but only briefly because a freeze plug let go and it realistically needs the engine pulled to replace them all properly. The body is fairly solid except for rust around the vinyl top area, and a lot of parts have already been replaced or included with brakes, fuel system pieces, ignition upgrades, and various mechanical bits. It's one of those midway through a revival cars that someone needs to finish, not start from scratch. (10) 1964 Jeep CJ5, $2,200. Finishing this list with something completely different, a 1964 Jeep CJ5. It's mostly stock mechanically, except for a fiberglass tub, and the drivetrain reportedly turns, but it isn't running at the moment. The generator isn't good, it was taken in on a trade, and it's one of those older Jeeps where someone will need to dive in mechanically to get it back on the trail or on the road. It's compact, it's rugged, and it definitely has that classic Jeep personality, even in project form. So that's another lineup of classic project cars, each with its own story, flaws, and possibilities. Whether you're into rebuilding, restoring, or just appreciating what's still out there, it's always cool to see these old vehicles still surviving. Thanks for watching, and we'll keep digging up more builds like these.